your boy shaved. I'm less homeless now, but only by a little bit. Today we're going over upgraded freezes. But rather than upgrading them and making them a variation, all we're gonna do is add a thread into it. So I'm gonna teach you guys 3 threads in 3 different freezes. Shoulder freeze, baby freeze, headstand. Let's go. So first one, make sure you can balance a one-handed shoulder freeze first. If you can't balance this, it's gonna be really hard for you. So welcome to core day, everybody. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab our right arm like this, and then our right foot is gonna touch like that. So make sure you can do that, okay? Once you have that, bring it in like this, okay? Bring it in, then all you're gonna do is bring this foot, your left foot, toe first through, okay? So really make sure that you keep your back strong and your weight pushed forwards into that front shoulder, or else you're gonna fall backwards and it's gonna be a bad old So again, going balance, grab. If you're doing the opposite shoulder, just do reverse. Pull it in, always grab your toe. Notice that I pull it in like this, not here, because that makes the circle as big as possible, and it points my foot inwards so that my other foot is gonna point directly at you. So if I go like this, it's going over there. But if I pull here, it's going to you. You see that? So get that comfortable, pop, and again, hit. And that's the first thread. Second thread is where it gets a little bit tricky. Basically what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be threading on the same shoulder that you're on. I know, who the heck thought about this? So what you're gonna be doing, arm that you're on right here, is gonna actually come down and grab this foot. So first, put your foot down on your hand, get comfortable here. Before your shoulder explodes on you and you die, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring that arm and leg up, make that circle, and then other foot comes through. And then rest for a second. Woo! Boy, ab day, everything day. Let's go. Again, going up, shoulder, connect. Again, pull that in, make that tight so that circle's wide. Then thread through. So to balance that and not fall backwards, literally all you gotta do is flex your core like there's no tomorrow. And also extend forwards. Push your weight forwards towards you or towards me, depending where you are, what universe you're from, and what life you live. You're gonna go here and then pull through, connect, okay? So balancing here or up here is what I'm gonna be doing. Last time, going, grab, thread. Last one, all we're gonna be doing now is rather than threading with our feet, we're gonna thread with our knees, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is here, connect this hand to your knee, and then pull this foot through, like that. Or you can do here to there, or crossbody. Literally any way you want. The easiest is crossbody, so we're gonna go through that one, but I just wanna show you them all. So you're going cross, right hand to left foot, grab your knee, not your foot, toe through, hit, okay? And again here, threading through, hit, and out, and hit. And there you have it. That's really all it is. So try one more time just for fun. Going here, connect, through, and hit. One last pointer for knee threads, go fingertips, don't grab it. Because you're grabbing on your knee, you're already gonna have less body to play with, so you wanna go fingers, not flat, okay? Groovy, baby. All right, second one, we're going through some baby freezes. For baby freeze, I'm gonna use a yoga mat just because I'm too lazy to get my knee pad. For the first one, because it kind of hurts your knees if you don't have protection. Not that kind of protection, get your heads out of the gutters. We're talking about knee protection, everybody. So, we're gonna go baby freeze, normal. Okay, straight leg foot down like this, flat foot, okay? Then the top foot, your knee is gonna come down like this. So you're gonna hit a figure 4 sideways position, just like that, okay? Then you're gonna grab the foot that has the knee on the ground. You're gonna bring that leg off like that. So get comfortable there. Then all you do is spread it through. Then from there, you can literally go into anything you want, okay? So let's go again. Going baby freeze, figure 4, foot flat, knee down. Notice that when I go put my knee down and my foot flat, I push my chin up so I'm more on top of my head, so I have more stability. Just a little tip. Going again. Here, hit like that. Then right here, make sure you're stabbed in your hip, and this is comfortable. Pull that foot in. Then as you go here, you're running out of space, so you gotta pull your body through closer so that you can make it. Don't worry about keeping yourself really stretched, because if you're too stretched, you're not gonna be able to make it. So the smaller you make your body, the easier it's gonna be. And one more time, going. Baby, knee, thread, out. So right there, if you wanna get out of it quicker, all you gotta do is kick that leg back and whip your body up. So use that backhand, that stab, to push yourself up as this front leg hooks under and kicks. Use that power, baby! Down, hit, 1 and 2. Kicked myself so hard there. Last time, going, boom, boom, boom. Got it? Big on, mat! For now. Next, we're gonna go baby freeze, pull through. So, I like this one a lot because you're not actually using your hands to thread, you're using your whole body. So you're doing a body thread. Body thread is basically where your hands are down and your body's going through versus your hands grabbing and threading, okay? So you're gonna go into your baby freeze like before, and all you're gonna do is bring that top knee off like this, and then for you now, just bring your knee down, pull yourself through, sit down. You can bring one leg over top or whatever you really wanna do, and then your body threaded. So now all you gotta do, the easy part, jokes. The hard part is pull your body through without sitting down. So you're going here, up, and then pull, hit. Okay, so you notice I do a little bit quicker because if you go slowly, it's just like pure agony of abs. Up, right here, hold the ground, right there. Okay, you need to make sure that's solid. Really grip the ground and pivot your body through, just like a seesaw. Once you're here, it's gonna make it a lot easier if you pull that leg over top so that it stabilizes you so the leg can come through. So I think that's the easiest way to do it, so we're gonna do it that way. So again, going here, boom, up, and through. Hold through. All right, third one. This one hurts your hand a little bit, so again, you can get a yoga mat or take off your shoes if you'd like to, or just be a champion. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be going to your baby freeze and bringing this front hand down like that, okay? So you're gonna be grabbing it, and then you're gonna be threading just like that, and then you're gonna pull it back. Or you can literally go into whatever you want from there. That's just how I do it. So how I like to get into it is from an actual stab freeze or an icy, because if you rotate into it from a baby freeze, it's hard because it waits when you're on that front hand and you bash your fingers down. So you're gonna go here, down, okay? Then rotate that front foot in. Notice that my back leg's back so that I can have good stability, and my weight's actually gonna be on this part of my wrist. Okay, the reason why a lot of people can't do this is because they think all your weight's here. That's stupid, and you're gonna break your wrist, so don't do that. What you wanna do is you wanna go here, because that's your bone, it's straight line with your body, and it's gonna be more comfortable and make it so you don't get injured, and it just makes the most sense stability-wise, because that's where your bone is. You wanna go on the hard part of your body, not the soft ligaments that can break. So, going again, stab, top of your wrist, hit, okay? If you want, you can bring your heel down for now, whatever. Then all you gotta do is bring your other foot through, like that. So, all you really need for that is flexibility. The flexibility is this. So make sure you can go on the ground, you've got this flexibility, okay? Hand down, catch, then thread, let go, okay? So, to pull it back, all you gotta do is flex your abs and kick this front leg into it, and then just pull yourself back like that. Just open it wide. Let momentum walk its course. Do its course, make its course. I can't talk. Going again. Stab, front hand down, hit, connect, pull, out. Okay? So all I'm doing is gripping the ground to pull backwards. But again, you're welcome to go into whatever you want from there. You can even put your foot down. You can go like this if you want. You can go here, here, step through, rotate out, right? Like, there's so many options for you. There's not too much to break down here. You just gotta kind of go for it, man. So again, here, hit, connect, pull, up. Okay, last one. So for this one, I'd recommend either getting a tube, or if you're lazy like me, a yoga mat would suffice. So, your headstand threads. Basically all you're gonna do, get into your basic headstand. First one isn't that hard, but for all of them, all you gotta do is make sure you can hold a one-handed headstand. So practice this both sides. Make sure you can somewhat hold it, okay? Then all you're gonna do is do cross body. So right hand, left leg for the first one, and you're just gonna grab it and then thread through. I personally think it's easier if you're lower because your center of balance is lower. Then all you do is grab and thread through, okay? As you can see, it's not really something you can go slow with, so I'm gonna do my best to explain it to you. But basically, all you wanna do is first make sure you have this thread down here, okay? Grab, thread, basic, grab, thread, because you wanna hit that quick standing up or on your head. When you hit your thread, if you wanna go down, keep your body low. If you wanna go up and hit a nice freeze though, as soon as you thread through, straighten your back and extend your whole body. So there's honestly not much trick to this. All you really gotta do is get comfortable on one hand. Get comfortable holding a headstand with one hand, and then it will be pretty simple, okay? So again, going, grab, lean, one side, flex, and get it comfortable, then thread. That's crossbody. Now all we're gonna do is same leg, same arm. So you wanna go here, left arm, left leg, left arm, and then thread through like that. Okay, so here, thread, like that. So what you're gonna be doing is go here. You can put this hand down too if you want, here, and then pull it through, okay? So again, you're gonna notice I'm pulling it this way like that. Diagonal across my body and bending it in close to my chest. Not trying to do this straight across, that's a lot harder. So pull it in like that, okay? So here, back leg up, and you're going, lean onto your right arm, thread through. Then, to raise it up, all you gotta do is keep your body straighter. So here, up. Again, all you gotta do is lean onto that one side, thread quickly. Last time. Here, hit. Third one is just your knee thread. Same exact thing as our shoulder freeze, okay? So you're just gonna be grabbing your knee instead and threading through there. When you go through, you're probably gonna wanna pull that leg in like that and straighten that other leg to keep your balance. Boom, like that. Not much trick to this, just drilling it over and over and over again and you'll get there. One last time. Just gotta lean. That's the biggest trick I can give you. Lean it, thread it. All right, y'all, your boy is done. It's a lot of neck stuff to demonstrate. It's one thing like doing those moves once or twice, but once you demonstrate it and teach it over and over again and drill it, it's a lot of things on the stuff, okay? Anyways, if you like this video, please comment down below. Tell me what you'd like to see next. Like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. This is Bboys from Now and Ever Crew. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.